Let's make a blog and a YouTube channel. I developed this activity in the subject named Balanced Diet. We have this subject in the first course of dietetics. Why did I do this activity? On the one hand, because currently one of the tools a dietetic technician can use in the workplace is blogging. I'm sure that all of you know some blogs or YouTube channels related to nutrition, diet, or food. On the other hand, it is an activity that can enhance students' motivation because it involves putting into practice the knowledge acquired to date. Furthermore, making a blog requires teamwork and commitment by all to achieve a satisfactory result. In addition, the group was a little unmotivated, so this activity was carried out to enhance their effort and dedication in a common project. A further benefit was that many people could view and appreciate the blog due to it being made public and advertised in different ways, for instance, on Dietetics' Facebook page. Use tools. Of course, we need to use Blogger and YouTube, but we will also use other applications as Google Forms, Google Sheets, and Google Calendar. Progress of the project. Using flipped classroom methodology, we suggest students visit different blogs and YouTube channels related to nutrition, diet, and food by Moodle. Students will assess and give their opinion about them, finding their strengths and weaknesses. In class, the students will have to discuss about the results of the previous activity in order to define the characteristics that they think their blog and YouTube channel should have. Then, the teacher explains the different types of articles that can be made, and also explains how to use the YouTube video editor, and other video editing tools can be explained by students to their classmates in class. The students will know the aspects that the teacher and the other classmates will assess. For example, interest of the article, punctuality in publication, grammar and spelling, information sources and how they have quoted them, video quality, and their comments in classmates' publications. The teacher creates a Gmail account which will be associated with the blog and YouTube channel. Then, provides the students with the password for the email, blog, and YouTube channel so that they can edit and make their publications by themselves. Personally, I wanted the students to have responsibility for the passwords and the control of the channel and blog posts, because I think that giving the students this confidence can be perceived by them in a positive way and help with their motivation. The following step is to develop a shared calendar using Google Calendar to help organize which student has to post each day. On the scheduled day, each student will publish on the blog an article and a video, for example, a video recipe. The video will also be published on the YouTube channel. Students will comment upon both classmates' videos and blog articles. The teacher, as I have said before, will advertise blog and YouTube channel on the Dietetics Facebook page. Improvement of the project. Last school year, I was the only one who assessed students' publications. This school year, I have thought it would be interesting that students also assess their classmates' publications, and I'm going to explain how to do it. The students will assess classmates through a form created with Google Forms and linked to Moodle, so that each student gets to evaluate each classmate. Here we can see an example. In this form, students have to write their name and surname here. In the next question, there is a list with the name of the classmates. So they will have to choose the person that they are going to assess. Every aspect will have 3 possible marks, from 1 to 3, being 1, you must improve, and 3, excellent. Each student will receive a report with the results of the assessment received from other classmates. In this report, they will be able to see the percentage of classmates that have punctuated with 1, 2, or 3 the different aspects of the work. Remember, interest, grammar, video quality. This report can be made using a Google Sheet associated with the form created with Google Forms. And how can we do this? If we go to the answer sections of our form, we can see an icon to show answers in a Google Sheet. And we have the sheet here with the name of the person who have made and assessed, the name of the classmate who has been assessed, and the different grades received. Then all we have to do is add a sheet for each student, copy and paste the assessments received, and associate these results to a table that calculates the percentage of classmates who have punctuated with 1, 2, or 3 each aspect. We can reflect the results in a graph. The final assessment of the activity will be based on classmates' opinion and the assessment of the teacher.